Well, since last time you saw me, Hermes has had a few additions. Can we see? Let's see. So Hermes has now got solar panels. Yes, that is two 100-watt Renergy panels, and a max air fan has been installed. Looks like I did a good job. What do y'all think? Well, I didn't do it. I had a friend of mine help me that's been helping everything else. Does a good job. I'm impressed with everything that he does. Let's see a little more up close with the fan and the panels. See, it's very well sealed. Panels are doing pretty good up there. They've been producing a lot of power. So I've got two 100-watt Renergies. The other day on my system, it peaked out at 204 watts. Still not understanding the math on that one. So, like I said, a lot of improvements have been made with Hermes. And you're wondering, what happened that I feel like I went back? Well, I wanted to insulate it. I hired a company. They promised me a great finish, great product, that they would seal everything off really great, give me a nice smooth finish. Well, that hasn't happened just yet, and it's kind of gotten me down. So let me let you see what I ended up with before they continue to fix what they did wrong. So here's all the foam insulation. Looks good, but nothing is level. It wasn't a clean job. And when they taped it off, they didn't tape it off that well. Ruined my headliner. That's where I've been trying to scrape it off some. I think I'm going to get them to replace the headliner. But none of it's smooth. Like, they promised a really good smooth job, and they didn't. I don't know. But the owners promised me to come back later this week. They would shave everything down, get it looking right. This stuff isn't easy to shave off yourself. So here's my wires. So this one here is for the solar panels. We had them up there before we spray foamed it. This wire here, yeah, it's a little foamy. I didn't do a good job at that, but you're not going to see it. That's all going to be hidden. That goes to the max air fan. And we wired to take this little guy, if we can find him out from the foam. Yeah, bad hack job, but they claim that they're going to come in here and smooth this all down. But you know what? All this, even though it looks as ugly as it does, not very even and smooth, is all going to be hidden by paneling. So I'm not too worried, but I'm still depressed. I just expected a better job than what they did. I mean, let me let you zoom in. None of that is even. Look at this. I've had people say, I don't know, I've never had foam done before. I've had people tell me this looks like a rookie's job. And I've seen this company's work. I've seen the sprayer's work. He did a lot better than what he did on here. Now this here is where I'm starting to try to get it back out so I can connect the paneling. I guess he didn't understand that I basically just needed the panel, this area's foamed, not everything. So, what do you think? Am I getting myself depressed for nothing? I mean, he did say that they were going to fix it for free. Possibly even refund my whole money back. I'm hoping they can replace this. So, I don't know. I'm depressed. Like I said, I felt so happy that I've got solar panels. I got the fan. We got it sealed up so great. got a really good deal on the foam. And then it was just a bad day for the guy that sprayed it in, or the chemicals went bad. I'll let y'all see what it looks like after they're done trimming off the inside. But there's also more. So when the guy did it, their normal tape dude that seals off everything didn't tape my van. Hence why this is from someone that didn't know how to tape off. They taped certain areas and they didn't tape other areas where they should have sealed the whole thing. Also, they left all this open while I was spraying it. Well, you got aerosols going out, spray going in the van, then the wind catches it. You have overspray here and here, which that's not too bad. Some overspray is to be expected. But look here. Hear that? See it? The entire outside of Hermes, I don't know how well you can see that, starting to yellow. The entire outside of Hermes is covered. Even the mirrors have it. All of it. So that's why I'm depressed. I'm not happy, but the guy says he doesn't want his name to be connected to this. He's going to get it fixed. So I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt that he can fix it. Now I will say this. I've heard all over online, if you spray foam a van, it's going to warp the outside panels. It's going to do this. It's going to do that. Well, let's see. I don't see any warping, any damage to whether the foam was too hot or too thickly laid. I mean, there's like over 3 inches of foam inside in places. That's what you see from the back. There is a lot of foam. Oh, and he missed a spot too. I actually missed a whole big giant gaping hole when he was doing this. I don't know. I had seriously hoped for a better outcome. But like I said, oh, there's the duct tape where they still had it in there. I don't know. So should I be depressed, or should I just hold off and let them do their job and get it right? Or should I have left there to begin with it correct and not have had extra problems with anything? I will tell you this, it's not as hot in here anymore. So the insulation's doing its job. I got enough of it, that's for sure. Well, check back with me week or so. They're supposed to do it in a couple of days, so I won't have to stick with this much longer. But I'll send you a video of how it looks afterwards. Hopefully I'm a lot happier. But again, like I said, I don't know why I'm getting upset, because all of this is going to be covered. You're never going to see what's behind my paneling. But the overspray they did, let's see, can I get the focus in here? All this has got to be cleaned off. And it's a lot of overspray, but that's to happen. I don't know. But they claim to have a tool that can file all this down, make even more of a mess. Carpet's really got to be vacuumed. I know. Alright, check back and I will show you the results that will be hidden as it continues on the building out Hermes. Thank you.